All right, week 3. How are you guys doing? This is insane. Plus, we got like a snowstorm the other day. At least I did here in St. Peter. Got like 5 inches, but it's all kind of melting now. But the other day was like 70 degrees and beautiful, and now it's snowing, which is crazy. But I hope e-learning is doing good for you. Remember that you can still do this BMI extra credit. Some of you are going to need the extra credit because you're ignoring my class completely and not doing your quiz. I extended the deadline for the quiz, last chance, final call, or you're getting a 0. Nutrition, body image, and eating disorder you should have already taken. You can take it as many times as you want. So if you got like 5 out of 20, I would definitely take it again. If you already took it 9 times and you got 19 out of 20, then, that's probably fine. But I would take it until you get 100%. Use your notes. Some of you have responded to me and said, I don't have the notes. Well, get creative. Print them off of here. I left you notes. I left you skeleton notes. Print them off. Make your own copy. Have it open on your computer so you can look at it while you're taking your quiz. Do something. Just like not taking the quiz is a horrible decision. All right, way down at the bottom here, we have this week's assignments, or what should I be doing. I gave you guys health on Friday because otherwise, you've missed health how many days in a row if you didn't do anything over the break. So, Friday would have been a health day, and then Monday would have been a health day, but we missed both. So this Friday, it's all you for health. So it says, welcome to week 3. Here's a layout of what I think is manageable for this week. Some of you are probably already beyond this, so keep working ahead if you want to work ahead. You don't have to stick with my plan. This is just kind of at bare minimum what I expect you to be doing every week. Tuesday is not a health day. Monday, we don't have school. We're still on spring break with snow. Wednesday is the very last day to take the nutrition, body image, and eating disorders quiz. And I'm serious, last chance. I still have some people that I'm pretty sure don't know my class exists. And I've emailed you and I've emailed your parents, so at this point, it's all on you to remember that health is a class you have. You should continue taking notes on communicable disease. I would watch video number 2 if you haven't already. I'll review where those videos are in a second. And then you can take the communicable disease quiz if you haven't already. I have lots of submissions that I need to go through. So, go ahead and take it if you want to take it. Thursday is not a health day, but again, you can work on health if you don't have a chance to do it on Wednesday. Then, do it on Thursday. You guys can have flexible schedules, but if this helps you to follow my schedule, then follow my schedule. Friday, we should continue notes on communicable disease, watch video number 3. Again, these videos are short, at maximum they're 15 minutes long. So it shouldn't take a huge chunk out of your day. And then again, you can take the communicable disease quiz if you haven't already. And there's other videos on my PowerPoints that you can take time to watch. And I'll show you where those are in a second too. If I have not graded your quiz yet, you don't have a score. Once you submit it, I'll have to go back in and grade your essay questions before you get a score on the quiz. But then after I score it, I'll probably leave you a comment. Some people have not been reading the directions when it says, give me 2 examples of ways that we can prevent these diseases from spreading, and you gave me 1. Like, come on, just read the directions. 2 examples. So if I give you comments and say, hey, you didn't read this, you did it wrong, take it again, and then you'll just have to wait for me to grade the essay questions again. But they're not super long essay questions. They're, a couple words. As always, you can ask questions. I check my email regularly, like daily, multiple times daily, to make sure I'm not missing anything. So go ahead and shoot me an email if you're confused. If I go back to the materials page, again, do the extra credit. It's still there. This quiz should be done I have your Vaccine Wars worksheet if you want to work ahead and you get to the point where you're ready to watch the Vaccine Wars documentary. What happens is some people are asking me and they're confused what we do with this worksheet. You're not going to turn it in. I don't want any papers from you guys. I think it's going to be too much work for you to try to remember and keep track of your papers, and then I'm going to have to collect them all and grade them all, and it's easier if we just do everything on Schoology. So down here, there's a Vaccine Wars worksheet quiz, and what you're going to do is take the paper packet that you have from watching the video, answer all the questions. You might have to pause and go back. Some of the questions go kind of fast, but they go in order. I think the first page of questions goes really, really quickly. So if you miss it, you might have to go back and just rewatch a couple minutes of it. But I don't have every single question on the packet, but I have most of them in this quiz. Again, you can use it because you should have just getting the answers from the video, and then keep it because I won't have all of them on there, but we'll have some discussion posts after later where you'll be getting credit for discussing what you thought about the documentary, what you think about vaccines, what you think about what we're going through right now in America and, the whole world with this pandemic and COVID-19 with the coronavirus. So hold on to that packet, fill it out. You can print it off of here. You can just copy down the questions on a separate sheet of paper, a little more work, but I did leave you copies of these at school. Again, here's the communicable disease quiz. You can go in here, take it as many times as you want, but I will have to grade your essay questions before you get your grade. But a lot of people have been getting, 10 out of 10 right away. It's a just quick, easy little quiz. And again, this is where I posted what you should be doing this week. I have this video to extra help you. I hope you guys are doing well and you're staying sane. Again, email me and reach out here on Schoology if you have any questions or concerns. I can help you out. And if you need more time for something, just let me know. We can work something out. Other than that, have a great week.